Hey there, welcome back to my channel where you enjoy watching me making lovely DIYs to inspire you. If you are new here, thank you so much for stopping by and please make sure to subscribe and don't forget to leave me your sweet comments. Today it's another collab. I'm making two gorgeous DIY using wood. This collaboration called What Would You Make? So many incredible crafters in this collab. The two hosts are so creative. We have Zena from OK at Home DIY and Connie from Connie's Creative Creations. And the guests for this month we have Teresa B DIY. So don't forget to check out all the channels link. You will see it in my description box below, as well as the playlist. You will enjoy watching these crafters making lovely DIYs using wood. I can't wait to show you. Let's go start with my first DIY. In this project I have been using 3 long wood rulers that I got from Lowe's, and I cut them with my saw. I got 8 pieces with 9 inches long and 2 long sticks with 14 inches long. When I'm done with cutting, I am sanding each end of these sticks with my paper sand. Also, I have this semi-gloss gray paint. I had it at home, so I'm gonna try it for this project. So I'm gonna make some gray here, some black apple barrel black paint, and white apple barrel white paint. So I'm gonna mix together. I want to make different colors for this piece of wood, but it shows the numbers and measurements. I will cover them with this white chalk paint first to cover all the lines and measurement for on this showing this wood. Now I'm painting these sticks of wood with gray. So I'm using different shades of gray color. Some are lighter and some are darker. Now I am positioning these sticks to make a frame or to make this wall decor by spacing them equally from lighter to darker gray. Now I am using the wood glue for permanent hold and hot glue for quick hold. I have 6 palettes with 9 inches long. Down I'm gluing 2 long palettes with 14 inches long in 2 sides. I have 2 others 9 inches long. I glue them one on top, other one in the bottom. And now I flip this piece of decor to use this face for my project. Then with this small wooden sign that I got from Dollar Tree, I'm dabbing with my small sponge brush with black paint all around this home sign to give some bold colors. And I have heart beads. I glue them on the top of this frame or what called on these palettes. Now I'm decorating this wall decor with this floating ball that I got from Dollar Tree, adding these blue flowers from Dollar Tree too. I have these 2 ribbons. I'm making a bow to attach those floating ball and the flowers all together with this bow in the bottom to give a beautiful sign wall decor for fall. Beautiful sign, and almost done. Attaching the bow in the bottom first, adding this floating ball, these flowers, arrange them. And now let's see my final look. So cute. This is in the back and this is in front. What do you think, guys? I am in love with this piece, with these gray colors, fall colors, and these floating balls, flowers. C'est très beau, c'est très beau, c'est très beau. Voilà. I hope you like it too. Tell me in your comment what do you think about this project. And now let's jump to the second DIY. For the second DIY, I'm using this long sign that I got from Dollar Tree. I send out this piece, taking off all the glitter on the top to make it flat as possible, and cover it with this brown adhesive paper to have neat and clean back of the sign. I am using this front sign. I have this wooden pumpkin from Dollar Tree and this fence that I got from Hobby Lobby last year. I'm giving 2 coats of white chalk paint in this side of the sign. When this piece is fully dry, I'm adding 1 coat of light gray paint that I used in the first project. I'm going from up to down to distress this white color to give kind of an antique look to my sign. Like this. For this project, I'm using this wooden pumpkin that I got from Dollar Tree and this shiny gray removable tile decal to cover this pumpkin. I am pressing hard to trace 3 pieces to cover this pumpkin using my scraper. You can use any stick, a popsicle stick. Now I cut it out to cover 3 pieces of this wooden pumpkin. Before to add these pieces on top of this pumpkin, I'm painting this pumpkin all around between the 3 pieces with white and gray to give a nice look. Then I peel and stick these 3 shiny gray tile decal on top this. After I paint it, I just sand out with my paper sand, and now I peel and stick these 3 pieces of shiny gray tile decal. I'm adding a thin white ribbon all around this where I put these 3 tile decal all around to make it look nice. And I have this fence that I got from Hobby Lobby last year. I'm gonna cut it in the middle with my saw like that, color it with light gray to match it with other colors of my sign. And these jungle blocks that I got from Dollar Tree, I'm gonna make a base for this fence in the bottom. I'm gluing how many blocks now? 6 in the bottom and 1 in each side to make this bottom sign of my fence. I'm gluing this piece down, other fence on the top with my glue gun and my wood glue. Adding this buffalo check ribbon in the bottom. I'm adding 2 Jenga blocks in the back of this pumpkin to add dimension, and this thing for middle sign, painted with white chalk paint. Let it dry. Then this flower, this is garland flower that I got from Michael's last time. I'm arranging them inside this fence or like a basket. Glue in my pumpkin. Now I'm making a messy bow with these 2 ribbons cut in same size of several strips of ribbons, making crisscross ribbons with these stripes. Attach them in the middle with a thin rope and glue it on top of my pumpkin. And another bow with raffia. Add it on top of messy bow and another a half bead, wooden half bead on top of this bow. Voila, voila. I'm covering this stem pumpkin with this twine on the top, et voila. With my stem black ink pad, I'm dabbing this thankful sign all around to give a nice look or bold look. I'm adding this thankful sign on top of my pumpkin, putting these pop dots in the back of the sign to add dimension, and voila, voila. I love it. I really love how it turned out, this pumpkin. Look at this beautiful sign, wall sign, fall sign. It's so cute, it's gorgeous. And let me know in your comment, what do you think? And thank you so much for joining me today. Please let me know in your comments which of these two projects do you like. Take care and see you next time. Soon. Bye.